So Apple just finished a special event where the new phones, the iPhones 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max were released. And I have a quick recap of all the special event details and general new updates that will be made to iPhones before the end of September. It was a very complete presentation by Tim Apple and the Apple team. They started off with an unexpected update to the App Store, Apple Arcade. It's the idea of a new way to play mobile games. A monthly membership of $4.99 that features innovative games compatible with the newest of Apple's hardware. An amazing idea in the game industry if you ask me. Imagine having PlayStation and Xbox compete at providing a service where a monthly membership is paid to have unlimited access to all featured console games out there. Featuring well-known gaming industries like Capcom, the creator of Street Fighter, and Annapurna Interactive, Apple Arcade will be available September 19th. Watch out Netflix, a new player's in town. Apple TV Plus, not much was said about it other than the top featured latest entertainment releases, but a very interesting detail that caught my attention was this. Tim Cook mentioned that when people buy a new iPhone or iPad, they will get a whole year of Apple TV Plus for free. Imagine getting a whole year of Netflix for free. Not only that, Cook added that the family plan will be worth $4.99 per month. Moving on to the 7th generation iPad, which includes a 10.2-inch screen display that is made up of over 3.4 million pixels. Characteristics about the tablet include home shortcuts like the ones we're used to seeing normally on a Samsung device, small keyboard functionality, extra Apple Pencil features, Touch ID, and much more. A nice detail to notice as well is the fact that it's made 100% from recycled aluminum. Seems like Apple's trying to help the planet. The iPad will be available starting September 30th with a whopping starting price of $329. Onto the 5th generation Apple Watch. Not much was changed from the previous 4th generation watch. However, the most eye-catching detail is that Apple is collaborating with multiple educational institutions to start multiple studies that can innovate future watch functionalities and software updates. These include feminine menstrual cycle studies, movement study, and Apple Hearing, which pays close attention to noise levels in the different places and times during our day and how they affect us. Furthermore, other functionalities include always-on display, meaning your Apple Watch will always stay on, 18-hour battery life, and a built-in compass. The case materials released were aluminum, titanium, and ceramic. Colors include gold, silver, and space gray. Not to mention the aluminum cases were also 100% recycled aluminum. The Series 5 Apple Watch is available at the starting price of $399 for GPS and $499 for GPS and cellular. Additionally, Apple's keeping the Series 3 in stock at a reasonable price of $199. On to the good stuff, the iPhones, introducing the iPhone 11 in 6 new colors: black, white, purple, green, yellow, and product red. The two cameras on the iPhone 11 are the dual camera and the ultra wide camera, used to take pictures as if you were much further away than it would seem in the dual camera. Also presenting night mode, which helps with low light pictures. It automatically turns on night mode when taking images in places where it's necessary, like dark restaurants or a night beach walk. Additionally, it takes 4K 60 frame per second videos, and it has a slow-mo selfie camera to make videos Apple likes to call slow-fies. There's also an awesome new functionality, lets you quick take a video without having to swipe to the video tab in the camera app. I guess this means no more burst photos, but we'll just have to wait and see till they start delivering them September 20th. The iPhone 11 has a battery life of 1 extra hour more than the iPhone XS, and it has a starting price of $699 US. Time for the big boy. For the pros, as Philip Schiller says, the iPhone Pro is made with a physical vapor deposition, or PVD coating, ranging in colors from midnight green, gray, silver, and gold. It has a screen size of 5.8 and 6.8 inch display for the iPhone Pro Max. Like the iPhone 11, it has a built-in Apple A13 Bionic chip, which can resolve up to 8.5 trillion operations per second. The iPhone 11 Pro has a battery life of 4 more hours than the iPhone XS, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max has a battery life of up to 5 more hours than the iPhone XS. It was about time for this to happen. Apple finally released an iPhone with a power adapter other than the regular 5-watt one. The new iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max come with an 18-watt power adapter. The most waited on feature, 11 Pro and Pro Max come with 3 cameras, ultra-wide, wide camera, and telephoto camera with a 4x optical zoom. The 11 Pro starts at $999, and the 11 Pro Max has a hefty starting price of $1099. Although with new iPhones come newer prices for the aged phones, which is good news if you're in a tight budget, like me. The XR has a new starting price of $599, and the iPhone 8 with a new economic price of $499. Other than that, there's not much to be said. Apple Store news like the new Apple Studio where you can build your own Apple Watch to your exact liking right in front of you with various bands and case styles seem pretty cool. Also the new beautiful looking Fifth Avenue Apple Store. What an architectural beauty. Looks like somewhere where you could go when you're having a bad day. So you could top it off and face the cruel reality. You're not going to afford any modern technology anytime soon. Alright everybody, that was it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and make sure to share the video. Share with your friends and family. Till next time.